Hello guys, Shazad again from Seal UK Limited. Today I'm bringing for you the new video which is connect with the smartphone, and I want to show you today step by step of the Pyronics Info Euro 46 panel, how you connect with the cloud system and with your mobile phone, and and also how you connect with the inside software you can use. This all videos I want to show you in maybe a couple of videos. So this is the first video. First I will show you how you set up on the cloud, the system link with the cloud system. Yeah. And then after next video I'll show you how connect with the phone. Yeah. Today just I want to show you only the how we connect with the cloud system with Pyronics Cloud. Yeah. Before we start the tutorial, could you please subscribe my channel and give me some likes and comments. Please make sure press the icon bell when I upload my new videos and you see my notifications. So let me start. As you can see, I open the cover for Euro 46 panel, and I already installed the Digi Wi-Fi card inside. This is the Digi Wi-Fi card. This is the white cable, is the antenna cable, is here. Make sure when you install the antenna, make sure please don't put the antenna on the top of the box. You need to put the antenna away from the box, yeah, maybe 1 meter far or half meter far. So try to put away from the box, okay? And this is the two data lights, one green and then one is red. It means the system is ready for the cloud system. If this red light is not flashing, it means that is your card is not linked with your cloud. So if you when you install first time, then the red light no flashing means something not right. So you need to off the power again, then battery power disconnect, and then reboot again power. So hopefully you found these two lights is blinking. Yeah, make sure these two lights blinking. This is the power cable, and then the power cable going from the main card. The cable come with the card. Yeah, and so let me start here. So next need to hold the phone in your hand, then need to go to the Wi-Fi setting. You should need to find your phone setting should be showing here somewhere. So at the moment they're not showing, then we need to go some couple of settings on the keypad. So first let me go to the keypad first. So you need to go to engineering menu, then go to communication, okay. So you need to go communication, then press yes, then app setup, press yes. Okay, you need to on the app, press 1 to on, then press yes. This is the unique system ID. So you need this ID you see you found on the mobile phone. Then you press yes. Cloud password, I just put 1 2 3 4. You can put any password. D for data space, and 3, and it's 4, and press yes. Security level make 0 normal. App password I put same. You can put any password. This is a demo. Just put a simple password. Okay, press yes. Always poll clothing, yes, must be yes. Okay, now it's set up. Now press no. Now program Wi-Fi, yeah. Press yes. Set up with the Wi-Fi device, yes. Are you sure? Yes. Okay, now you see here, you found the, you leave it here. You should found, look, I can see here by this device here. Click this one first. If they ask you the password, a password is same. Uh, Username and password same, which is Wi-Fi password. Okay, so now is link. So you know to go to Safari. Default IP address is 192.168.0.1. See, already I put the pick automatically. So you need to find your local IP, local Wi-Fi, local Wi-Fi. So like I have my Sky broadband here, then I have to find my Seal UK and make ID from password. So like, if I see here, you can see here, we can. This is my Wi-Fi here. Then I click here. Okay, I'll put my password, which is my Wi-Fi password. So I just blank. Okay, if your Wi-Fi password is right, then just click tick. You see here, you should be connected if it's right password. Now just checking. Okay, now see connected to the network. So our system now, our card is connected with the network now. Okay, so now next step, we need to go on cloud. Okay, now go in the cloud. Okay, after you log in your cloud, then you click on add new system, and then you need to put here password, which is system ID. Our system ID is okay. Cloud password I put 1234, and just some. Okay, now you say keep reference. I just put demo. Okay, after I press submit. When I press submit, then you can see here, should be somewhere here, refresh the page. Okay, you can see here, guys. Now you say okay, now you are successful. You link with the demo here. So next step now, so this side is finished. Now we go to our phone. So we connect with the phone now. Okay, so we go to our phone now. Okay, now we go to on app. So we go to Pro Control Plus. So we click on plus button, then instructions panel. So I put my one demo and unique ID, which is on the beginning. My one is there. My one is okay. Now click on save. Then I edit. Click on demo. Then I put my default password is, which is panel password is 2222. Pass we put in the beginning 1 2 3 4, and just click save button here. So as you can see, guys, I log in with my Pro Control Plus now. So I can see if I click on full, I can see like at the moment is main door is closed, input 3, exit input 9, input 74. So at the moment I just only 5 sensor, 5 door contact I just program. Okay, so if I want to on the alarm, I can on from here. I'll show you in a minute, 1 second. So you can see on the keypad. So only full for full. Okay, so I just on the system remotely anywhere in the world. So if you are on holiday, you can on the alarm from there, off the alarm from there. You can see the, if your alarm is triggered, then you see notification from there. Yeah? Okay, when alarm is set, then red lock is on. You can see red lock is on now. Now you can see your alarm is on. As you can see here. So you can see alarm sensor activations. So the all is at the alarm is on. Yeah. So if for example somebody come back home, yeah. So you see the notification from there. Yeah. So if I open the door, okay. Now is you can see here is a alarm. You try to connection. If I now put the code, for example, somebody home, what's happened? You can see a notification coming. You can see from here, open the, you say full set main door sensors burglary. Okay. So now you go back, put your code. Now there, look here. You say 1 2 3 4. Now it's save. Just put your only master code. My master code is 2222. Login. Now I can see here is one bell is on. It means something happened in your home. Yeah? Your alarm still is like is on now. So what do? Just press the only bell button. This one. When you press the bell button, let me show you. So when you press the bell button, so alarm is stop. Okay. So if you see what means, could be false alarm, something anything happen. It could be curtain moving or some spider come or temperature upside down or could be any happen. It's for one sensor activate, just don't worry. If it's two sensors activated, it means something happen in your home. So please don't off the alarm remotely from your home. If one sensor activate, then it could be false alarm, yeah. And then just and after, if you are abroad, just put on the alarm again. Press lock the button. Okay, alarm is set. Okay, so this time I open two sensor here. So then means so once sensor activated, don't like don't panic. It could be false alarm. Okay, if two sensors activated, you should panic. Then you should call police or whatever. Your alarm is triggered. Yeah. So now we test two sensors. Yeah. Okay. So I open, for example, I open first one sensor. Then I open two sensor. Okay. So then it means something happened. So now you are abroad. So at the moment I put time here. Yeah. When the time is finished, the alarm is triggered. I off the app. Okay. Okay. Now we test what's happened. Okay, it's a confirmed alarm. Now it say to me, exit door is burglary. Put code first. Login. Okay. Now they say to me, okay, check the events, notification, check the notification. So now he say to me from demo panel is two sensors activated: exit door and confirm alarm. Is a something happened in your home, so two sensors activated. It's a main door and exit door. So now you shouldn't off the alarm from remotely. You have to call the police from remotely or call your family members. So this is the way you need to check here. So now go back to panel. Just put code. Okay. Put the sensor back. Okay, I need to put a code. I need to off. But in your case, you shouldn't off the alarm. Okay. Then you just call the police and then call your family members, and they off the alarm from there. Okay. Don't you off the alarm. If your family member is there, they don't know what is the password, you can off from there remotely. But make sure you to call the police here. Okay, so this is the way to I show you how you link with your Control Plus, and hope you like my this video. If you any answer question and answer, just send me your comments on my channel. I will reply back to you, and also please subscribe my channel and make sure press the icon button, and then you see my new notification. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.